Can Akitas be trained for freestyle dog dancing? When it comes to dog training, there are countless activities and disciplines to explore. One such activity that has been gaining popularity in recent years is freestyle dog dancing. This unique form of dance involves choreographing routines with your four-legged companion, showcasing their natural abilities and creating a bond unlike any other. While many dog breeds excel at freestyle dog dancing, there is often a question mark when it comes to training Akitas for this particular activity. Akitas are known for their strong-willed nature and independent personality, making some people skeptical about their potential in freestyle dog dancing. However, with the right training techniques and dedication, Akitas can absolutely excel in this discipline. One of the key factors in training Akitas for freestyle dog dancing is starting early. It is important to begin training your Akita as a puppy, as this is when they are most receptive to learning. By introducing basic obedience commands and establishing a foundation of trust and communication, you can set the stage for a successful freestyle dog dancing journey. Socialization is another crucial aspect of training Akitas for freestyle dog dancing. Akitas have a naturally protective instinct, and it is important to expose them to different environments, people, and dogs from a young age. This will help them become more comfortable in various settings and ensure they remain calm and focused during freestyle dog dancing routines. Positive reinforcement is an essential training method for Akitas. These dogs respond well to praise, treats, and rewards when they exhibit desired behaviors. By using positive reinforcement techniques, you can motivate your Akita to perform various dance moves and tricks with enthusiasm and precision. Building a strong bond with your Akita is of utmost importance in freestyle dog dancing. Akitas are known for their loyalty and dedication to their owners, and by nurturing this bond through regular training sessions and quality time together, you can enhance their performance and enjoyment of freestyle dog dancing. Patience is key when training Akitas for freestyle dog dancing. These dogs can be stubborn at times, and it is crucial to remain calm and persistent throughout the training process. Consistency is also vital, as Akitas thrive on routines and clear expectations. Introducing music into the training sessions can be highly beneficial for Akitas. Playing various genres of music and exposing them to different rhythms and beats will help them develop a sense of timing and coordination. You can gradually incorporate the music into their routines, ensuring they stay in sync with the rhythm while performing their dance moves. Freestyle dog dancing is not just about the technical aspects of training, it is also about having fun and enjoying the process with your Akita. Building a positive and enthusiastic atmosphere during training sessions will make it an enjoyable experience for both you and your furry companion. In conclusion, Akitas can certainly be trained for freestyle dog dancing. Despite their independent nature, with proper training, socialization, positive reinforcement, patience, and a strong bond, Akitas can excel in this unique and exciting discipline. So, if you have an Akita and a passion for dance, don't hesitate to explore the world of freestyle dog dancing with your four-legged friend. Together, you can showcase your Akita's natural abilities and create beautiful and captivating routines that